नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मेजर ऑफ सेंटर टेंडेंसी। द सेंटर टेंडेंसी ऑफ ए डाटा रेफर्स फॉर ए टिपिकल और सेंटर वैल्यू अराउंड विच इज़ द ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेंड टू द क्लस्टर to find a single representative value, to simplify large data, to facilitate comparison, to provide a basic of future statistical analysis. Arithmetic mean it is the sum of all observation divided from the number of observations. Median it is the middle value when the data is arranged on ascending and descending order. Mode it is the value which occurs most frequent in the data. Give some few examples and their methods. Merits very easy to understand and calculate, not affected by extraneous value, can be used from the quality data also. Determinants not based on all observation, may have more than one mode, not suitable for future mathematically treatment. Basics meanings path meanings of mean arrange all the observation. Median mid value of orders data. Mode most frequency value based on all observation. Mean median no. Mode no. Suitable for quality data. Median ordinal data also. Quantitative data. Algebraic treatment. Mean yes. Median mode no. Uniqueness or mean always one. Median one. And mode may have more than one. In a symmetric distribution, mean equal to median equal to mode. In a moderate sequence distribution, mean minus mode is equal to 3 mean median. It is the highly sequence order. Mode is the best representative. The choice of a measure depends on the nature of the data and purpose of the study. Gini coefficient. Gini coefficient is a statistically measure of inequality with the distribution. It was developed by Italian satisfaction. Purpose uses by to measure the degree of economic inequality, to compare inequality between two or more distribution, widely used in economics, geography and sociology and development studies. Lorenz Curve. It is a geographical distribution of inequality. X of the cumulative percentage of population, y-axis of cumulative percentages of income or wealth. The 45-degree line diagonal represents a perfect equality. The more of the Lorenz curves bow away from the line of equality and greater than the inequalities. Give us some properties. Merits simple to understand based on the entire distribution, useful for comparison, graphically represent, make it easy and interactive. Limitation does not show where the inequality exists, not sensitive to change at the middle of the distribution, affected by extraneous values. Lorenz curve. Lorenz curve is a graphical method used to represent the degree of inequality in the distribution of income, wealth, and any other variables. Construction arrange the data, income, wealth in the ascending order, percentage of population and the percentage of economic, percentage of population on x-axis and percentage of income y-axis. Point of drawn by the smooth curve, this is called Lorenz curve. The more than the Lorenz curve is from the line of equality and greater than the inequalities. Some merits, demerits and application to use, study, inequality, income, wealth, experience, land holding, etc. To compass inequality between regions, countries and the time periods uses economic, geography and sociology and the planning.